Palm Jumeirah Hotel Atlantis before me, and laser show in progress right now. This is the sea water, the Persian Gulf, and sea land reclamation has been done to get this islands developed on the pattern and design of palm leaf, so it is known as Palm Jumeirah. Another island reclamation project is a dera that is called as Palm Dera, and this is the Palm Jumeirah. This is Atlantis Hotel, which was open or completed and open for public in 2008, and this is the Royal Atlantis. Royal Atlantis was open for public just last year, I think, or this year. So this is the recent one, and these waters have jellyfish, the marine creature, jellyfish, and there is also report of dolphin, and especially for the conservation of dolphins, Atlantis authorities, they have thought of creating an aquarium, and for that purpose they have received bottle-nosed dolphins from the genus Tursiops. Species are not aware whether it's truncatus or some other species, but you see the lighting of Hotel Atlantis on 30th December 2023. So tomorrow will be the New Year's Eve, and that time I think this colorful lighting will be more amazing and more rich. So this is the Hotel Royal Atlantis, and this has also been completed, but many other hotels, I think, they are still under progress. This is the sea water and wayside chain of hotels, and here we see the date palm trees, that is Phoenix dactylifera, and this is the artificial water melody which soothes the mind and soul. And we also have here, you can see, this is yucca. So yucca is also planted on Jumeirah. This is the beauty of these date palms, which look very elegant during evening time, and Atlantis has added to its charm. Royal Atlantis equally beautiful, and all along this pathway we can see there are different kinds of restaurants, cafe shops, where one can go for coffee, breakfast, and beside this we also have another water channel, and there are rows of these date palms, and this is the Kasab Ibn Hamido, and all these are date palm trees, Phoenix dactylifera, which is sacred, and fruits are health promoting and sold in the Dubai Mall, and even at Abu Dhabi or even at Muscat. So there is Turkish cuisine available, and all along this stretch, which is arching or semicircular, ultimately I think it will be go around, and maybe it is a full round circle. Perhaps it may be the round one even. Today also I give a look. I am reminded of Dal Lake of Kashmir, and all along the Dal Lake we need to have the lighting of this pattern so that tourists who visit Kashmir, especially the Dal Lake, they get view of like this. And Hotel Atlantis is looking elegant on 30th December 2023, and Palm Jumeirah Island, there was some dolphin conservation controversy also, because when we have reclaimed lands and gone for interference, then there is some kind of displacement of marine species. So it is reported that during 2019 COVID pandemic time in 2020, there was a reappearance of dolphins in these Gulf waters, and so it has been a proposition. It is proposed that aquarium, especially devoted to dolphin, will be created, and it is, I think, underway, under process. And we have a row of restaurants, and all these are aligned by these date palm trees. So it's very pleasant this time of the year. During summer you have a scorching summer here, but winters are cool and pleasant. The weather is quite pleasant, and this whole stretch of seaside restaurants and pathway is adding color and charm to the ambience of Palm Jumeirah. And I can see the even monorail. This is going on, monorail, which connects the hotels of Palm Jumeirah with the mainland. So one has to use this monorail, and due to financial crisis, it is reported that the project originally thought of is still not completed fully, and I think it will be completed maybe within a couple of years, and after that it will attract more visitors. But as a forester, I have always fascination for trees, so I was fascinated to see the jade palm trees everywhere in Dubai, whether it is a park or a hotel or even at Burj Khalifa, and here at Palm Jumeirah as well. And even there is a boating facility in these waters, and that is Royal Palm Jumeirah. And these are various restaurants, so where one can take a stroll in the evening before dinner. So it is an ideal place for evening stroll beside the sea water, and in front of Palm Jumeirah. And this is Royal Palm Jumeirah. Royal Atlantis Hotel. No, that is the Hotel Atlantis. This is the Hotel Atlantis, and this is Royal Atlantis at Palm Jumeirah. And necklace like this restaurants line is looking elegant in this evening, and this seaside evening is quite attractive for the tourists. Palm Jumeirah in the Dubai outskirts. We can see some introduced plants. For example, this is living cycas revoluta, and this is ficus microcarpa, Chinese banyan fig, and these are the olives. This is a European olive tree. This is also European olive tree, and we also have, apart from this ficus revoluta, we have another Zamia furfuracea, cardboard palm, and this cycad that also looks like palm. And if I tell you, this is the architecture of, you just see the one leaf which is left and right to the leaflets, and this type of one frond type palm island reclamation and development is taking place, and that will provide a look of palm leaf, compound leaf, pinnately lobed leaf. So that is the architecture of Palmyra Islands hotels and restaurants. But here I am more concerned about the species which I am seeing here as part of ongoing tree talk. So we have the Olea europea and Ficus revoluta and Ficus microcarpa. Apart from, we have some, but this is also a palm, but which looks, I think, very akin to the coconut palm. This is coconut, Cocos nucifera. So this should not be confused with Phoenix dactylifera, or it is Phoenix. So it is difficult to really make out whether it is Phoenix. It seems to be Phoenix dactylifera. And here we have the hedge, which is called as the holy plant, which is, I'm forgetting its name. So hedge is also there, and we have also the dolphin, because dolphin is found in the Gulf waters. So this is model of that. The tail part is outside and it is diving posture. And in this evening we see some other trees also. I'm not aware which is this tree, because this seems to be Ciba. So this is Ciba speciosa, a drunken tree, which provides pink colored flowers during October-November. So these are the Ciba trees, kapok trees, the Corizia trees, and here see the monorail before this Borassus flabellifer. So this is Palmyra palm, and we also have the other palms here, and various other plants. Among the plumeria is more prominent, and there are also small bushes of lilies, and I am really more fascinated to see again and again Santha. So this is at Palm Jumeirah. We have the Jammu species, which all Jammuites are familiar under the name, Dogri name as Santha. So this Santha is Dodonia viscosa, and it is also growing as a hedge. It has been cultivated rather. It is not wild. It's growing, cultivated at Palm Jumeirah. And these are the bushes of the bougainvillea. So bougainvillea hedge, and behind I am able to show you the Panicetum purpureum. And these are the plumeria trees. And this is Borassus flabellifer. And apart from these, I am also able to pinpoint another seaside tree, which is basically in the hibiscus, no doubt, but it is the species, I think, Tylifolia, perhaps hibiscus, Tylifolia, I think, but this is a kind of tree which is adapted to the seashores, and even these plumerias are adding greenery to the Palm Jumeirah and the cultivated grass. And again I am showing you this Dodonia viscosa, and there are some other trees which I am seeing here, but since it is already dark, so it's very difficult to actually judge which tree is that, but it looks to be perhaps some kind of sterculia. I'm not sure, but this is plumeria, and this is the ficus, and this seems to be hemerocalis, and we have also this hibiscus tiliaceus, not Tylifolia, and now I got reminded of this actual identification, hibiscus tiliaceus. So this is also growing here, and we also have this this particular tree, holly. So this is the picture on the pillar of this metro line. I can show you the dolphin. Perhaps it is bottlenose dolphin, and yes, so this is the dolphin which is found in this water, and this is hibiscus tiliaceus. So hibiscus tiliaceus I have encountered only at Palm Jumeirah, yes, for the first time. So again, the well preserved, well maintained green spaces at Palm Jumeirah, but plenty of plumeria trees, and also hibiscus tiliaceus, also Borassus flabellifer, and even Cocos nucifera, coconut, and this is Palm Jumeirah evening tree talk.